Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vibhalakshmi and today's topic is positive mental attitude. Concept of positive mental attitude. Positive mental attitude is a concept first developed and introduced in 1937 by Napoleon Hill in the book Think and Grow Rich. Positive mental attitudes is that philosophy which asserts that having an optimistic disposition in every situation in one's life attracts positive changes and increases achievements. This concept is the opposite of negativity, defeatism, and hopelessness. Optimism and hope are the vital to the development of positive mental attitude. It is the philosophy of finding greater joy in small joys, to live without hesitation or holding our most cherished, held in high esteem and highest personal virtues and values. In positive psychology, high self efficacy can help in the gaining learned optimism, which ultimately leads to positive mental attitude. Researchers have shown that through emotional intelligence training and positive psychology therapy, a person's mental attitudes and perceptions can be modified to improve one's personal and professional life. Definitions of positive mental attitude or positive thinking. According to Ramesh Session, positive thinking is a mental and emotional attitude that focuses on the bright side of life and expects positive results. According to Kendra Carey, positive thinking actually means approaching life's challenges with a positive outlook. It does not necessarily mean avoiding or ignoring the bad things. Instead, it involves making the most fruitful situations, trying to see the best among other people, and seeing yourself and your abilities in a positive light. Characteristics and traits of a positive mindset. There are many traits and characteristics associated with a positive mindset, including optimism, a willingness to make an effort and take a chance instead of assuming your efforts wouldn't pay off. Second characteristic, acceptance, acknowledging that things don't always turn out how you want them to, but learning from your mistakes. Resilience, bunching back from adversity, disappointment, and failure instead of giving up. Gratitude, actively, continuously appreciating the good things in your life. Next, consciousness. Dedicating the mind to conscious awareness and enhancing the ability to focus. Integrity. The trait of being honorable, righteous, and straightforward instead of deceitful and self serving. How to develop positive mental attitude? There are many ways to develop positive attitude. First is focus on the present. Second, use positive language for every work and for own self. Surrounded yourself with positive people. Always be preparing to learn in every new and difficult situation. Always learn from your mistakes. Be grateful for everything which you have. Recognize your capabilities. Be confident on your abilities and realize that no one is better qualified than you. Believe that you have more enough than others. Stay cool and respect yourself. Realize that you can change your attitude. Find your unique preferential view of life and unique attribute. Don't be overconfident. Learn to accept what has happened. And last, try to be happy. Now, the importance of positive mental attitude in life. It gives the happiness in your life. It is important for physical and mental health. It helps to provide success to achieve the goal in life. There's a clear pattern that successful people have a positive mental attitude. We enjoy our life with full of energy. It helps your persist because you have hope when others don't. You don't affected by the downfalls of negativity. It develops a sense of rightful gratitude. Next, you learn for failure and challenges. You always be cheerful and full of enthusiasm. Mental stress level reduces. You can solve the problem easily and lead others. You can face criticism more widely. You will admire yourself more than anyone else. You will be role model for others. And last, you can get trustworthy friend circle. Thank you so much.